I feel like it's traditional now for me to light a candle at the start of any video. This is the Posh Burn candle, by the way, guys. If you haven't heard of Posh Burn, I'll quickly mention them before I start the video because this is an absolutely amazing brand. This is the new Barbie candle. It's a soy wax candle. I'll link the discount code here so you guys can have a look and check them out. It makes my room smell so nice, and all the jars are so lovely. You can also get them refilled as well. The lovely Gemma that owns the business and runs the business can refill them for you, obviously at a cost, but I just love the idea that I can get and have this jar for as long as possible. And obviously like recycle and reuse. So it has been a little while since I did my last video, and during that time we hit 2k followers. I have been trying to hit 1k for what feels like forever, since I got this first G7X camera when I was 15 years old, and I was posting videos and then I kind of keep falling out of love with it. But like I feel like now, because I'm getting something out of it, like YouTube's always been my #1 favourite. I've wanted to do it since I was a little girl, so I thought I would jump on tonight and make another video. And you guys know that I love my hair, I love doing hair tutorials, so I'm going to do my curly waves tutorial, which everyone asks for on my Instagram. Like every time I post a video with my curly hair, everyone goes like, how do you do it, what do you do it with? So I thought we would do that today, especially while it's kind of like a chill Monday afternoon and I'm just finished working, so I feel like I need something to cheer me up. So that is exactly what we're going to do. So grab a cup of tea, chat with me while we curl my hair. So I curl my hair with the Beauty Works by Molly May curler. This is a professional curler in silver. I think this was like one of the limited edition ones, but you can grab the pink ones now, I think, that are on offer. I will go through TikTok shop to get them though, because you can use vouchers, you can get free shipping. But if you do get the glove, I have lost my glove. I don't know where it's gone, but I burn myself on this all the time just because I'm a clumsy person. Like, I kid you not, I've got a literal scar there from a burn that I did last week. That is how clumsy I am with this. So this is a really easy, quick to do hairstyle. This is not going to take you absolutely hours. 20 to 30 minutes I would say this is take. But I'm just going to section off the hair, so I've got the bottom bit showing, and I like to twist this bit just to get all the extension bits out, because I've got extensions in my hair, so it just makes sure that all of it's even. And then I clip that at the top, so I look like this. Currently it's at the right heat, that didn't take long to heat up. Always curl away for the face, so I put the curler on first on top of the hair and wrap it around, and then I wrap it up a little bit just to get that tight curl. I leave it for about 15 seconds. Try and face it down as well, don't go up, because that makes the curl set up and that's not what we want. You want to face it down. And the thing that I do is I just drop it into my hand and kind of let it set in its curl. You can see there that it's wrapped around a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the second bit, and we're just going to repeat the same process. So put it on top of the hair. The flatter you can get your hair to the barrel, the better it's going to be for you. And again, just drop that into the hand. Some people like to put them up in like pins and stuff. I have not mastered that trick yet. And this is like my little trick, just to cool them down so they set in the curl. And that is all that bottom section curled. Now I like to wrap it around each other just so it keeps its curl while I'm doing the rest of my hair. I'm going to go ahead and do the top part of my hair and move on to the other side afterwards. And that is pretty much the whole hairstyle done. Now you can brush this out, some of you may not want to. I always recommend putting a little bit of hairspray on as well, because I like it really naturally wavy. I don't put any hairspray on and it does stay in the whole day normally when I don't put hairspray on. I'm growing out these little flakes, so they do look a little bit bulky at the moment. But as you can see, I've got that full kind of curly look. They're all very natural long curls as well. Now let's see what they look like when we brush them out. Just lightly going to start from the bottom just to soften them. Sometimes even I'll straighten the top bit again just so the curls fall on the bottom bit. And that is the look when they're all brushed out. That is pretty much all of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this and want me to do more hair tutorials, please do drop a comment below and let me know. Give me a follow, give me a like, and I can do more videos like this. Thank you so much for all your support throughout the last few weeks. It has meant the world to me to hit 2.5k subscribers on YouTube. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Mwah.